And first of all, I'd like to express congratulations to our fellow nation, Jamaica. We have 3 anniversaries today. 1, the 60th anniversary of the independence of this great nation, Jamaica. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And second, 55th anniversary of the first shipment, first export of Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee to Japan. That was January 9th of 1967, 55 years. Congratulations. And also, this year marks 40th anniversary of the establishment of the Association of the Japanese companies importing Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. So 3 anniversaries. Well, great occasion. Thank you very much. And it tells our special relationship between Japan and Jamaica. In the United Nations, the countries lines according to the alphabetical order. Jamaica. Japan.
It's true. It's true.
And I'll tell you one thing about the coffee. As you know, Japan is a country of Japanese tea. Everybody loves drink Japanese tea. But at the same time, we are falling in love with coffee, especially Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. So if you go to a Japanese coffee shop, then if you ask Blue Mountain in Japanese, then they will be grateful, because Blue Mountain means Blue Mountain. The Japanese way to abbreviate Blue Mountain, Blue Mountain. So if you go to Japan, in Tokyo or anywhere, if you go to the coffee shop, you can order Blue Mountain. Then all those shopkeeper knows, oh, this person is a coffee lover, So much so, we love Jamaican coffee. And Michael said, and Alison said, we are very proud that we are the biggest importer of the Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. 70% of the whole, the greatest coffee to Japan. We're sorry that other country couldn't import. Even our ally, the United States, import only 20%. So in that sense, we are very sorry, but we dominate this. Thank you so much. And also, when I talk about relations with Jamaica, the music is a very important part. You're the president of the BP Record. And I tell you, before I became a diplomat, I really fell in love with music and had a band. I dreamed to be a professional musician, but I couldn't make it. I became a diplomat. But I'm so proud of that. Jamaica and Bob Marley.
Yes.
And he passed away actually 41 years ago. He passed away in 1981. And 2 years before his departure, he came to Japan. He inspired a lot of Japanese audiences. Because I was a poor student, so ticket was so high, so I couldn't get in his concert. Instead, I bought many LPs. And One Love, This Is Love, I Should Cherish, It's Lost, and all those great music. And he passed away at the age of 36, 41 years ago. His music is still inspiring, at least to me, not only me, but many other people. And he's talking about love, and he's talking about hope. He's always talking about trust. And so his words is very much touching and moving. And I really think that Japan and Jamaica are united by 2 of the most important things of life. That is coffee, especially Blue Mountain Coffee, and music, especially reggae music. So we were friends forever, and once again, I'd like to express my congratulations to this Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee. And united by music and coffee, the Jamaica and Japan have been working together in many ways, but especially for today, I would like to express 2 things. 1, having this event in person itself is a great testimony that we are overcoming this pandemic. Think of this way, Omicron pandemic is being influencing many things, but instead of that, despite of that, we are here together. and to express congratulations and the celebration of this Jamaican Coffee Day. And that is great. The other thing is we've been working together to enjoy coffee. And I brought some of the Japanese sweets. So I'll tell you, so having Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee together with Japanese sweets, this is going to be heavy. So once again, congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
What a great relationship. As the ambassador was speaking, says expresses his love for reggae music. I was tempted to ask him to sing something for us.